Namaste. Welcome to the Bharatiya Defense Reporter.
Pakistan Foreign Minister Shah Mahmood Qureshi appears to be fervently pursuing the Imran Khan government's approach of highlighting Bharat's internal affairs on global stage. After the Kashmir issue, Ayodhya, and the Citizenship Amendment Act, the mob violence in Bengaluru is Pakistan's latest weapon. 3 people were killed and around 60 policemen were injured in the riots earlier this week, which began after a protest against a Facebook post that was allegedly offensive to Muslims as it mocked Prophet Muhammad. In a statement on Thursday, Qureshi claimed Muslim minorities were no more safe in Bharat after the violence in Bengaluru. The Express Tribune newspaper reported Qureshi urged Human Rights Watch, Amnesty International, and the other global rights groups to take notice of the Bengaluru incident. Qureshi was quoted by the Geo TV as saying sentiments of Muslims were hurt, yet Bengaluru police resorted to arrest and wound them. Prime Minister Narendra Modi's government has buried the secular state of India and instead is giving rise to a Hindu state. This is not an internal matter, it is a humanitarian issue, declared Qureshi. Qureshi declared the whole Muslim Ummah must watch the social media post which manifested the insecurity of Muslim minority in India, the Associated Press of Pakistan reported. Qureshi has also criticized the recent Bhumi Pujan of Ram Mandir in Ayodhya, noting a temple was being built after a mosque was demolished, and he doesn't mention that a mosque was built after destroying a temple on the birthplace of the deity Lord Ram. The Pakistan government had on Wednesday lodged a complaint with the Indian High Commission over the derogatory Facebook post. The Pakistan Foreign Office said the offensive post against Islam has hurt Muslims and reflects the rising Islamophobia and targeting of Muslim communities in India. This was said by the Foreign Ministry, but they failed to mention that how churches and temples were getting destroyed day by day in Pakistan and people were hardly surviving in Pakistan who worship different faiths such as Christianity, Hindus and Sikhs. Pakistan failed to mention that but thinks that India is becoming a Hindu state. What happened to its two-nation theory on which the Pakistan was born, on which there was said that Hindus will be in India and Muslims will be in Pakistan. They failed to understand that Bharat is not becoming a Hindu state, it is just trying to be more secular and more respectful towards each religion. The Facebook post is criticized everywhere by both Hindus and Muslims. It's not a thing that should be said, it harms the harmony between Hindus and Muslims and other religions also. But Pakistan fails to understand that because it has never practiced secularism. According to its constitution, no Hindu or other religion person can be either president or prime minister. So think about before teaching us secularism, Pakistan should itself learn what is secularism, then tell us what it is. We respect our other religions and we respect them with our hearts. The rioters will be arrested at all costs because they have broken the law.
Please like and subscribe to our channel.